Hey guys, how's everyone doing? This is Nick from ForexNoobs.com with the daily analysis. Today is Thursday, the 9th of September 2021. Time is 13:13 here in the UK. So let's just dive right into the analysis today, guys. We're going to kick things off with Euro USD. Euro USD open position headed down, but has pulled back up a little bit today. Bit of a retrace there. Wouldn't worry too much about that. Just hold on to it if you're in it. Usd Jpy, another open position, been open for a while. This one's just been a very slow grind towards target. Not quite hit target yet. Pulling away again today. Again, I wouldn't worry too much about it. I think USD strength is going to happen. I think USD strength is going to happen next week, so I wouldn't worry. Maybe even tomorrow. We're going to see some USD strength. Right, so let's look for some other setups. AUD USD. Now, if we don't get that USD strength enough to take these trades to target the Euro USD and USD JPY, AUD USD long is always going to be an option. So just let me quickly explain what I mean there. To get to target, we're going to need some USD strength to push Euro USD down. Right, so some Euro weakness, USD strength, Euro USD will drop down. But if that doesn't happen, then there is potential for a long here on AUD USD. I wouldn't really count on this long triggering. It's just something I'm watching closely right now. And New Zealand USD, honestly, I don't see anything here anymore. I saw a potential there yesterday, but not today. Euro CHF, this one has started fallen. Is anyone short on this? Well, I'm talking as if there's a live audience here because I'm so used to doing live webinars, but there isn't. So if you're short on this, this is one I shared yesterday, then awesome. It should be going well for you right now. It's only the start of it. Really not too late to get in if you really want to get in on this one. The big problem is if you do it like this, get in now, your risk to reward ratio won't be too good. It won't be a great risk to reward ratio. Would have been ideal to enter a bit higher up, ideally on a pullback or something like that. So I'm hoping some people go into this trade and have a good risk to reward ratio. Let's look for some new setups to end the week. So basically, when I say setups to end the week, I don't know where my support resistance areas for AUD CAD have gone. Oh, there they are. When I say setups to end the week, I just mean it's Thursday. Probably not going to enter anything new today or tomorrow, but perhaps we'll spot some setups that can trigger on Monday. So some potential setups to end the week, which will potentially trigger on Monday or Tuesday, something like that. Right off the bat, I'm going to adjust this area down so it's more in line with these recent bounces here. We can see that recently price has been bouncing from here, so I'm adjusting this area down to there, and that lines up with where price is stalling right now. So there could be a potential short here on AUD CAD also. No, sorry, AUD USD is a potential long. AUD CAD looking for a potential short there. AUD CHF's already moving down. Just flicking through the pairs right now. I'm not really seeing much so far. GBP CAD pushing up to resistance, but yeah, I don't really like a setup there. GBP JPY just moving sideways on resistance. GBP JPY is somewhat interesting because it is starting to slope downwards, but it seems like it's going to get sandwiched between the 200 moving average and this bearish trend line. Now, keep in mind, I don't really use trend lines that much. I'm not saying they don't work. It's just I don't find them personally that useful. I find them very, very subjective, too subjective. A lot of price action is subjective, but trend lines, for me personally, I just find them a bit too subjective. But yeah, it looks like it's going to get sandwiched between the 200 moving average, which would probably just kind of come along here, something like that eventually. And we're just going to get price doing something like this and then exploding out in either direction. So it's worth keeping an eye on GBP JPY. Let's see how this plays out. If this trend line holds, if it dips back down to the 200 moving average. I want to see how this plays out, but I don't really see a setup here that I want to take right now. New Zealand CAD made a nice run up yesterday and has continued to do that run up today. It's at a strong resistance area. This resistance area caused a major reversal last time it was here. Boom, like that. So I'll be looking for a short here actually. Right, I'm just going to take another quick look at the charts because we have some potentials here, but I haven't really identified much. Yeah, that's all I'm seeing really for today, guys. So let's do a quick summary. AUD USD, just looking to get in potentially long, just depending on how everything else plays out. If we get some more USD weakness, if the Aussie dollar starts showing some strength, there might be potential there for a long. But I'm just not convinced that we're going to get that that USD weakness. I'm more thinking we're going to see some strength from the US dollar, which would help along these positions right here, the USD JPY and the Euro USD. But obviously I'm going to keep an open mind with that. I'm not going to commit to seeing that USD strength. If USD weakens, I'll be looking for a long from the support area. AUD CAD, just potential short here. This one's much more likely in my estimation to get in short here. And finally, New Zealand CAD, just shooting up to this resistance area. It's a pretty strong resistance area. Had a crazy reaction from it last time. Potential for a short here. So I'll come back to these trades, obviously tomorrow, for those of you who are members and are in the chat room, but otherwise it's probably going to be Tuesday for the next analysis session, or I might test a new way to do analysis next week where we do one on Sunday and one on Wednesday. We'll see how it goes. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you for next week's analysis. Bye.